there.
We got rice, we got cabbage, and we got Rasta Pasta.
Curry in there, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that smoke coming up, y'all. Which one is that?
That's a jerk chicken.
That's the jerk chicken, y'all. Right here. Look at that, man. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're in Newark, New Jersey on Central Avenue, man. Look, I got the smoker behind me. I got the smoker back there smoking. Yo, we on East Orange is down there. Newark is down there a few blocks. That's 12th Street. That's right, the next street that way. Man, hold up. Y'all walk with me. We here, y'all, at BiBi's Authentic Flavors. It's the Guyanese Jamaican flavors. And look at the smoke, y'all. Y'all know it's official when you see the smoke. See the smoke right there? Oh, they got wood chips too. That's not no charcoal, man. That's the real deal in there. What you got? What you got today, man? What can we buy?
I got corn, I got jerk chicken, I have snapper, I have salmon soup, Rasta Pasta, shrimps, curry, and roti.
Let's do the Rasta Pasta, the cabbage, the jerk chicken. Let's do curry. Yeah. Curry chicken, right? All right. So we're gonna do that, y'all. The Rasta Pasta, the cabbage, jerk chicken, curry chicken. Yo, oh, it's on the grill? You got meat on the grill? Huh? It's on the grill? Hold up. We about to get this grill shot, y'all. Y'all know I'm excited. Anytime I see this smoke, and don't y'all be having no jokes, I don't smoke like that no more. But anyway, oh, look at that smoke coming up, y'all. Oh my goodness, that looks good, right? That looks good. Oh, okay, you got the sides on the side? Yes. Oh, they got the rice there coming, y'all. That's the rice right there. Yes, sir.
The Rasta Pasta.
Nice. That's it right
We
there.
got rice, we got cabbage, and we got Rasta Pasta.
Okay.
On the sides.
Oh, what's that, the sauce?
The sauce.
Okay, yeah. Is it hot?
No.
Just a little bit, yeah, that's good right there. Got that sauce on there, y'all. All right, y'all, I got my bag. This whole bowl is stuffed. I know some of y'all gonna be like $30, but look, man, this is definitely enough food for at least 2 people right here. Say it's not. Look at this. Look at this food right here. Do it look good, y'all, or am I crazy? Oh, look at the steam coming off it. I'm about to get into it, y'all. Let's check it out. I'm gonna take the fork, man. Y'all know I wanna eat with my hands. My hands are clean. People be wondering if my hands clean, they clean, all right? I use the sanitizer stuff. I know y'all be like, use soap and water, but hey. Anyway, first thing I'm going for, right? Let's go for the curry. Let's go for the curry chicken. All right, let's go for the curry. The curry's right there. That's a piece of skin I got, though. Let me just take this whole piece. Okay, got the bone. This is very tender chicken. I taste that curry, man. It is delicious. I think I taste a little cumin, maybe. Very tender coming off the bone. Uh-oh. Y'all see the bites behind me? Okay, I'm about to go into, I had the curry, right? Let's go into the jerk chicken. Oh, it looks delicious, man. I gotta grab this with my hands, y'all. I gotta grab this with my hands here, and I'm gonna eat over this plate here. I'm doing this for a reason, y'all, because I want to share this later. This is a lot of food. This is the jerk chicken. As soon as my tongue touches it, That sauce, I think I want some more of that sauce because it's delicious. Mmm. Mmm. This is delicious, y'all. This jerk chicken is very, very, very delicious. I gotta watch the bones. I'm getting a few bones in there. But it's delicious, man. All right, let's get some more. The flavor that's been smoked and soaked through this grilled chicken, barbecue jerk chicken, is delicious. All right, so I'm not just here eating one piece of meat. Let's go into the rice now. All right, here we go. From that curry, he put some of that curry juice on the rice. Oh, I taste some spices there, man. The rice is a little spicy. Let's eat one of these carrots. Oh my goodness. Wow. I've passed this place a couple times. This is the first time I ever stopped. And I'm glad I did. Once again, look at this. Look at that, man. Y'all know I don't eat rice much, but I gotta eat this rice, man. It tastes nice and spicy and curried. Got the beans in there. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm gonna get some of that rice out now. I'm gonna head over here to this cabbage. Hold up, gotta taste the cabbage. So we ate the rice. Sometimes I get Caribbean cabbage and it'd be like, you know, I feel that it's not cooked enough. This is perfect. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I didn't try the Rasta Pasta. Let's put some Rasta Pasta right there. Oh, this plate is still really steaming hot. See the steam coming off it? Let's try the Rasta Pasta. That pasta is really tender. Wow. And I'm starting to feel some spices. I think, oh wow, the Rasta Pasta is spicy. Look, man, I'm done. This is your man, Matt DV. I'm over here on Central Avenue, Newark, New Jersey. I'm at BiBi's Barbecue Grill, right out here on the street. Y'all come check it out. That's 17th Street right there, this Central Avenue. No, that's 17th Street right there, Central Avenue. Right in front of the cemetery. Y'all come check out this barbecue spot. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you cats, love y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. But y'all know I ain't going nowhere. I'm not a big pasta person. That pasta is so tender and seasoned. Y'all know I'm not a big rice person. But with that curry juice, gravy was on it. Wow. Oh. I gotta find that bone I just bit. I wanna get some more of the jerk with this sauce, man. Look at this, hold on. Look at this, look at this, look at this piece right here. See, it's like that skin. I like that. I like that, man. Wow. Wow. Remember I said the sauce wasn't spicy, but that jerk, man, it has that like spicy pepper flavor. Oh, wow. I already ended the video, man, but wow. I want some more cabbage. The cabbage has green beans in it too. String beans. Are they pole beans or string? Look like string beans. Wow, I know one thing. Those cars are really flying by like, boom, boom, check them out. Everything is delicious. Everything is delicious, y'all. I want that piece of skin right there. I'm a happy camper. It was $30. I'm about to go share this with the babies. I'm gonna put that top back on there, y'all. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo, my mouth is really spicy right now. I taste those spices and those seasons. Delicious. It is definitely delicious. This is my plate. I'm about to dig in.